Alright, let's keep this simple. Because applying a discount code on Temu is not hard, but most people mess it up because they rush. I've already put the working Temu discount code right here on the screen, and you'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of extra codes Temu is running right now. Now let me walk you through this step by step, exactly how it works. Step 1. Open the Temu app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on U at the bottom, then go into Coupons. This is important. Don't try to enter the code at checkout yet. Step 3. Tap Redeem Coupon and enter the discount code you see on screen, or copy it from the description. Once you submit it, you should see the coupon added to your wallet. If you don't see it there, the code didn't activate. Try one of the backup codes below. Step 4. Now go back and start shopping. Add the items you want to your cart like normal. Step 5. When you're at checkout, look for available coupons. Tap it, select the discount coupon you just redeemed, and make sure it's turned on. Once you do that, you'll see your total drop instantly. And that's it. No tricks, no extra steps. Just the correct order. If your code wasn't working before, it's usually because it wasn't redeemed first or wasn't selected at checkout. Try it now with the code on screen, and if it worked, comment "Done." I like seeing who it works for.